Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Python Flask with Heroku easy tutorial step by step clearly. Let's begin by installing Python on your system. Head over to the official Python website. Download the latest version suitable for your operating system. Follow the installation prompts to complete the process. Once Python is installed, open your terminal or command prompt. Verify the installation by typing Python version and hitting enter. Next, let's install Flask. In your terminal, type pip install Flask and press enter. This command will download and install Flask and its dependencies. Now that Flask is installed, create a new directory for your project. You can do this by typing dir my_flask. Navigate into your new project directory using cd my_flask_ app. Inside this directory, create a new file called app.py. You can use a text editor of your choice to do this. Open app.py and add the following code. Import Flask by typing from Flask import Flask. Next, initialize a new Flask application with app equals Flask __name__. Create a simple route with app.route /. Define a function called hello that returns hello world when accessed. Now, at the bottom of the file, add if __name __= main __:: followed by app.run debug equals true. Save your changes to app.py. Run the command python app.py. Open a web browser and enter http://127.0.0.1:5000. You should see hello. Next, let's set up a virtual environment. In your terminal, type python mvenvend and press enter. Activate the virtual environment by running the command. On Windows, type vend \scripts \activate. On macOS or Linux, type sourcevend/bin/activate. Now, with the virtual environment active, install Flask again. Run the command pip install Flask to ensure it's installed within the environment. Now, it's time to prepare for deployment on Heroku. Make sure you have the Heroku CLI installed on your computer. If you haven't already, create an account on the Heroku website. Log into your Heroku account using the CLI by typing Heroku login. Create a new file named requirements. In the proc file, type web python app.py to specify the command to start your app. Now, initialize a new Git repository in your project folder. Run the command git init to set this up. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.